Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. Let's jump into FL Studio. I show you how I made this beat using my drum kit. So don't mind the theme. It's one of the themes which I'm working on, which I'll be dropping very soon. So I'm just giving it a test while doing this tutorial. So this is a kick. So what I did with the kick, after adding it, I came here on the fade out and I've dragged it all the way up to 100%. Then after dragging it all the way up to 100%, when you touch the fade out, click on it, normalize so that it's back to its original shape. Then I've added the peck. Then I've added the hi-hat. Then I've added the open hat. Then on the playlist here, I've added the crash, which is this one here. Then here, I've added the fill in. So let me just show you what I did when I copied this fill in. So this fill in was like this. It was this long, so I've chopped it and removed the parts which I don't want and combine the parts which I want in this beat. So you can use it the way it is if you want, or you can be creative like the way I've done here. Depends with the beat which you have made and the way you want your fill in to play. So let me just play the beat so that you can hear the way the drums are playing together with some other melodies in this beat. So if you want this drum kit, the link will be on the description below and also pinned on the comment box below on the first comment. This has been Brother Frederick Beats. Thank you very much for watching and I'm out.